to another vlog. So today is day 3 here in Malaga, in Costa del Sol, because we haven't really been walking around in Malaga. So yesterday we had a full day in Gibraltar, and I was talking about these scratch trip cards. We managed to scratch off almost everything on the list. Except for the Great Siege tunnels. We missed those, but I'm really happy that we could find all the other places. They were interesting and beautiful, and well, it's such a nice view from up there. It's really breathtaking, so worth a visit, and it's fun to take these cards with you because, well, it makes the whole trip a lot more interesting. So yeah, today we will take it a bit slow because yesterday we had lots of hikes, and we were sometimes a bit in a rush to be able to check everything on the list and to see as much as we could. So today, because we can't go to Caminito del Rey because the tickets are sold out, so instead of Caminito we will go straight to Benalmádena. By the way, I will show you our schedule here, and after that, finally and hopefully, well, we will have time, so we will visit those dunes and take a walk there, hopefully during sunset hour, and we can maybe take some nice drone shots and some nice photos. So that's the plan for today, and tomorrow will be our last day here in Malaga. We will have our flight in the evening, so we pretty much have the whole day to explore the city. Well, if you want to check out my previous days vlogs, I will link them in the description below. And well, let's get the day started. First stop in Benalmádena was Castillo Colomares, an absolutely out-of-a-fairy tale castle, which is a monument built between 1987 and 1994, and it's dedicated to the life and adventures of Christopher Columbus. It tells the story of the discovery of the American continent in various scenes. Architecture is incredible. There are so many little details. you can see, this place is like out of a fairy tale. I mean, it kind of is, because the main idea is a story behind this castle, and there are certain parts of it, like different chapters, and you can scan the QR code and read the chapter. It's really interesting, and actually it's not that old, so this whole place is like a live book. We've spent like almost 2 hours here, maybe even more, because we had a little coffee break as well, and luckily Michael got to find a really nice and quiet spot, and took some drone shots. I didn't even know, he just told me, so that's really exciting. I can't wait to see them. Right now we want to go to the cable car to go on the top of the hill and see Benalmádena from above. But with this castle, next time I'm thinking of getting a nice red dress and having a little photo shoot. I think it would turn out so beautiful, so hopefully we can come back here sometime. Hi.
Amazing place, huh?
Yeah. After Colomares, we took the cable car, a fun and pretty long ride, to the top of the hill where we could admire the city for a few minutes. It was quite windy, so we didn't stay for long, but it was worth it. Such a nice view. We then drove to Sendero de las Dunas finally. Of course, we had to take lots of pictures. The place was quiet and peaceful, a few people were on the beach, and we decided to take a walk as well. was curious about the temperature of the water, but it was so cold. We even witnessed a beach wedding photo shoot. It was so precious. That was it for this day. See you in our last day to explore Malaga. Thanks for watching. Bye!